The happy state is you get all this data in a way that it's complete, so you're not missing any information. You validated the accuracy of it in some kind of checks and balance that happens in your system. You hit it up against, so from an underwriting perspective, you've got all this information. You hit it up against some type of rules-based underwriting, box that says, yes, this checks these boxes. This is a standard risk. Automatically quote and bind that, right? Low touch, high frequency, low touch work that is just super easy to get through is where you want to get to. And then if there's something that hits up and is an exception to those underwriting rules or needs a different look, or maybe there's a request for higher policy limits or something nuanced, then that's where, going back to just the human capital, right, that's where people can spend their time. It's more valuable to spend their time on the stuff that needs another look, as opposed to just I don't want to use the term pushing paper, but essentially just checking digital the box paper. That you reviewed it and that it's gone through. So that to me is the end state of, you hear a lot about automation goals and streamlining and making people more effective and more efficient. And I think that's an area where intake can really help. Yeah.
Yeah. The other nice side effect of having that intake, maybe if you just describe the dream state, I'll describe nirvana, which is you capture all of that data on the decision making, right? And we talked about this last time, and you can cycle it back through. And now you have this long queue of things. Well, these 10 in the row, I'm not going to quote. We just don't quote that. It doesn't turn out well. So skip those altogether. And now not only have you streamlined the process individually, you've streamlined the whole queue, and you're only quoting, and as fast as possible, you're quoting and binding the stuff that you really want.